A very good morning to you. Welcome to Life and Style. My name is Tendai Mbalekwa, and this particular moment here right now is Innovate. Have you ever been in the situation whereby you need something fast, maybe around you or even globally wise, and you just need to search that particular item there and then? Well, those days might actually be over because the solution for that has finally come. And I won't even spoil the introduction. I would like to introduce herself and what she has come to show us today. Thank you for joining me on the show.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
Yes. So maybe we can start with the introduction and then we can get into what you guys have built.
Sure. My name is Maliha, Maliha Sheikh, and I'm actually the founder of MyFinder mobile application.
MyFinder mobile
MyFinder. A lot of people do ask me what MyFinder actually stands for.
Tell me.
It's actually, we started off with anything to do with finding, okay? And we actually, because it is my search, but we wanted it to be a bit different, slightly getting to a bit of slang. So we got into, instead of making it MyFinder, okay, which globally is available, okay, we called it MyFinder.
So with an A?
With an A.
Ah, it's MyFinder.
Okay, so it's MyFinder, okay?
All right.
Being the mobile application, it's actually available for free download on Apple as well as Android. So you're looking at both the platforms.
Both platforms.
That's
so
right.
no one is left out?
No one. Well, we've got Windows, where people do complain to me why I've not chosen that platform. I assure you that in coming times we may consider it, okay, to go on Windows, but at the moment those are the two platforms that it's available for.
That's great. So now let's hear more about this application that people can actually try out right now. Tell me more about it.
Sure.
It's intrigued me.
I think basically the whole concept originated from searching. And I'm very pleased to tell you that we are known as the first Kenyan search engine. I know that you actually mentioned globally.
Yes.
We are not available globally. Yes, people can download overseas, but this is especially for Kenyans.
So it's just tailor-made for us.
That's right.
That's amazing.
Reason being, what we are trying to do is promote the businesses available locally. Okay?
Yeah.
In terms of marketing and advertising, to make it affordable and being on the fingertips. I mean, I know that we've had paper directories for many, many years.
Yeah.
But I think, I'm not going to say that they're dying out. I mean, people are still using landlines.
I'm shocked that you're telling me that they're using the directories.
But I think the way forward now is actually to be on the phones. And what we wanted to do was just to give more than a directory. There are a lot of businesses at the moment who are struggling actually to be visible.
True.
Okay, in terms of advertising or even in terms of basic listings available. Okay, they may not even have websites. They've got social media pages.
Yeah.
Okay, but what we've done, we've created this platform that if you didn't have a website, okay, by being there, it's actually having a mini website on the phone.
On your phone?
On the app.
With your platform?
With MyFinder. Okay, so what's going to happen, you have your business name, you have your logo, okay, besides that you have your contact details, you can have up to 3 numbers to actually put there. You're connected to Google Maps, okay, so you are able, you can actually be located, okay, as long as you can give a direction, that's right. It gives you step-to-step direction, okay, how to get to that business. Okay, but obviously you need to give the correct directions as well.
Yeah, exactly.
You need to give your
Where
accurate
you are.
location, yes,
Yeah.
to be found. And you have your short, your inquiry form, so somebody can even write to you if they wanted for more information. Okay. And that's all you get within a basic listing. And a basic listing is 1,500 shillings for a year.
For a whole year?
For a whole year, and
Wow.
that includes VAT.
So you can you can have your a particular platform on your MyFinder.
That's right.
Oh,
okay. So this is now we have actually categorized the listings, making it affordable, and you only pay for the features that your business really needs. If you pick up a doctor or a lawyer, okay, I don't think they require social media marketing. They're not doing that, or they need to do deals and offers.
Exactly.
I don't think so. So mostly what's going to happen if you're a doctor and you're professional, okay, you just need to be contacted and you need to be there. So you pay just 1,500 shillings a year, okay?
And that's it?
And that's it, okay? Besides that, how do we know, now that I've listed, let's say I'm the I'm the business.
Yeah.
Now that I've listed, how do I know people are looking at my
Your business,
my
your
business.
page.
So do I get any information? Do I get any statistics? Yes, you do. When you sign up with us, we give you user login details. So you have your own control panel.
Or for
You're
your details.
able to see if you want to, I mean, businesses move from one location to the other. The contact numbers change.
Yes, true.
So you can stay up to date. You're not dependent on a third party to update your information.
So you can do, let's say you change locations today, you can just change it.
You change it yourself. You are able to keep it up to date, okay? And you're able to see how many times your page has been hit.
Sounds just like a web page.
Okay,
Your own
so
web
you've
page.
got your statistics there, right there in front of your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay, don't take my word for it. Okay, you can actually log in and see it for yourself.
So you can see the back end of
You
what
can
you've been
see
doing.
exactly. Similarly, if we move to the second package that we offer, which is a bronze package, you have your social media pages like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even WhatsApp for
Yeah.
that matter. You can, when you sign up for the bronze package, which is 2,500 for a year, okay, all these channels, okay, you're actually connected directly through the app. So the icons appear right below your listing. Okay, when you click on them, those are dynamic links. It takes you directly to the page.
Oh, is that it?
So you're
From
not going to
the- from
search
the MyFinder
from your
app.
own. That's right.
So you don't have to even leave the application?
You don't have to leave the application. It takes you directly to those. And as I said, this is the day of digital age, and
is.
everybody seems to be there.
You know what I'm really liking is how you've mentioned, basically, in other words, this is a digital directory.
That's correct.
With much, much advanced features, like even
Features,
being
yes.
able to see what's going on in the back end.
That's correct, yes.
I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen a directory in a very, very long time. In fact, I questioned if they're still there. This definitely must be overshadowing that because everybody has a phone in their pocket. How's been the feedback like?
Actually, I'll tell you, because we are fairly new, we launched it last year. Our launch was in August last year. Since we've got about 600 businesses listed.
As is?
As it is. If you go to my website, you can see it real time. As and when clients list, okay, the counter is actually ticking.
So you can see the numbers
So
rise.
it's we've tried to make everything very, very transparent for people to know that it's a growing platform.
I like that. So
Okay.
you can see it grow.
That's right. But a lot of people, you know, because it's a minimal amount that you're paying, okay, sometimes even though they have come onto the app, okay, they do not update the information. They've got special offers and all that. They need to utilize it more. We need Kenyans to actually download the app, utilize it, maximize the use. It's free for them.
So tell me, what type of people actually do use the app? Tell me, maybe perhaps that'll be making more clear. Which businesses normally sign up, and what businesses could you find?
I mean, it's for.
A couple of
I mean,
examples.
if you actually just think about a housewife, okay? I mean, it's a full-time job if you ask me.
Yeah.
For a housewife.
It is, and very
She
busy.
needs to have information about different things that she needs to get, okay? From a plumber to mechanics to basically any type of businesses.
Electrician.
I mean, but very, very important. We must understand that if you are a registered business, only then we will list you.
Okay. Also, in order for me to find a particular business, it must be registered on
It
my
must
Finder.
be a Kenyan registered business.
So I can search. So if it's registered, I could search theoretically for the nearest, let's say, restaurant around.
That's
the perimeter.
right.
Really?
Yes, you can.
Can we try it? Like,
Sure.
Can you give us a go and show us how it looks
I
like?
can actually, since we are in Westlands right now.
Yeah.
Okay. If I was to, we have a feature called Nearby.
Nearby.
Okay.
So perhaps we'll show this camera.
Sure. I
maybe
don't know
from,
if
from
they-
this angle. Be best.
Are you able to
Perfect.
get it?
Perfect. All right.
Okay. So basically, okay, I'm just going to, this is what our
Interface.
interface looks like. Okay, if you actually click onto the menu button, okay, there is a feature called Nearby. I can choose the radius or a distance that where I want to actually look through. Okay,
Oh, so
let's
you
say
can tell how the nearest area.
that's right. So I'm
Okay.
going to pick up 3 kilometers radius. Okay, and I've chosen a category called restaurants. Okay, and I just do the search. So for somebody, let's say that who came to this country or who came to Nairobi and does not know whereabouts, okay, what is near me and what is available, okay, so
This is the best for somebody who's just coming.
this
like you're
is
saying.
who is not familiar,
Yeah.
okay, is able to actually see which are the listed, you know,
Look.
restaurants. But at the same time, for the restaurant to appear,
It has to
It
be
has to be.
registered.
It has to
Listed.
be listed. Yes.
Well, but I mean, even for people who are still here, because you go to a
I mean,
location.
you can actually see it, right?
So it's for all the restaurants. How
Okay,
many-
if you
how-
see
what's the proximity?
2.75 kilometer, we picked 3 kilometers.
So 3 kilometers radius
Okay,
around
so
us.
it is actually picking up for me what is within 3 kilometers.
All these are different type of restaurants that's picking up close to us.
That's right. You've got Nyama Mama there, you've got Pizza Corner there,
Yeah.
you've got News Cafe there,
Cafe,
you've got
we've got
Mercury
Mercury.
there. So you've got Caramel here, Donuts World is there.
Wow.
Okay, so you can actually see. Okay, these are now within the vicinity, okay, that you can actually pick up. If you want to know, maybe I want a specialized, maybe I want to have something different, okay, I can click on, let's say I click on Caramel,
Yeah.
okay, I'm able to first of all see if I want to actually get directions where they
To
are,
the location.
okay, I just click here, okay, and it's going to tell me if I'm driving, okay, how to actually get there.
Also, there's different options according to the transportation that
That's
you have.
right.
All right.
Okay, so you can actually see that I'm on Lower Kabete. It picks
Yeah.
up where I am, tells me how to get there.
Step by, wow.
Step by
literally,
step.
Turn left,
Okay,
Oreo Court.
that's
amazing.
right. Okay, so this is how easy it is to actually get to. If I wanted to just go to their website, I can just view it. It takes me directly to their website.
So from the app
From the
itself,
app directly.
to their
It's a
website.
dynamic, yes.
That's
It's a
very neat.
dynamic link.
It's
So-
almost as if that page is like their personalized
That's right.
region.
It's like when I was explaining to you, it's actually just like having a mini website on the phone.
On the
You
phone.
don't need to actually search for anything, okay?
And the website has popped up.
That's right, it did,
That's amazing.
okay?
All right.
Besides that, I just want to, you can get their contact details. There is a little bit of information on what their offering is, okay? And this is where you put in keywords.
Keywords.
Keywords. Now,
Tell me about
we must understand what keywords is. The description is very, very critical when you're actually listing your business. Being Kenyan search engine, like when you go to Google, in layman language, I'm just going to explain that.
Sure.
When we go onto Google, we type, okay, I'm looking for cars. I say cars in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Okay, what is gonna start coming in is the sites that are available, but we must understand what happens back end. Okay, why only those people are actually, or those listings or searches are coming up.
What brought them on
Okay,
top?
what has brought them on top?
Yeah.
And that is done through search engine optimization, and that is done through using keywords. So those searches that appear right on top, it's happening because they have actually paid for search engine optimization, picking on those keywords.
Keywords.
Okay.
So now when we come back here,
When you come here, besides the money that we are talking about listing, you're not paying anything else for the search engine optimization.
oh, you mean you have that there?
Yes, we have what we call keyword search. We've got category search, okay, but we also have something called keyword search.
So it's
which
like
I can,
literally a search engine.
that's right, it is a search engine.
Inside your space, if you're listed.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
All right. Let's
so you
go.
can actually see there is a category search. Okay. We've got the county, we've got the location, we've got the category. We've got over 1,000 categories listed here, and you can choose where your business fits in. Okay. If I'm going to do a keyword search, okay, if I just use the word cars.
We check out cars. That's the keyword of the day.
Okay, so let's say we just put cars.
Yeah.
Because we are only featuring Kenya, okay, so we are bound to get only what is available to us
Well,
locally.
that's good because
right?
you know when you
We are
Google, you can-
promoting our country,
our own country and our own
our
products.
own country, our own products.
Very good.
Okay.
Excellent.
So not only people who sell cars, businesses that sell cars appear, but also people who are selling, businesses that are selling spare parts.
Ah,
Also
wow,
appearing.
That's very useful.
Workshops that are appearing, unless you're going to specify, okay, what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like right now we've received details on the nearest car deals
That's right. You can actually get, let's say we are here.
and the proximity of how far they are.
Exactly. You can actually see, I mean, I can actually figure out that they're very nearby.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 1.8 kilometers away.
That's right. If I wanted to just go to their Facebook page, it's going to take me directly to their Facebook page,
just from that one
just
tap.
from that app.
That's pretty cool. So it's literally because, you know, when you go there, I feel as if even if you have your company registered there, you feel comfortable that all your needs will be taken care of and pushed.
Right. That's right.
The keyword is very important.
Very important. Very, very important. And this is what I think we need to understand. It is not just a directory. It is much more than that.
Yeah.
Okay, besides that, after the bronze package, we have something called the silver package. The additional feature, besides the social media integration, which is available in the bronze, you are able to publish deals and offers.
Oh, I like how it's going more of a website. It's
exactly.
Like
it all depends on what your needs are.
It's what your business needs
really
to do.
really wants to do, right?
Yeah.
Now, deals and offers are not done throughout the year. Maybe some businesses do that, but you may have timeline for it.
Like holidays.
Now, the good thing is, because you have access to the control panel, you're able to upload your deals and offers as and when you want. You can even auto-schedule them.
Or you could put your deals anytime.
So you can put anytime and it's unlimited. You're not restricted that you can only put 3 deals in a month. No.
You can do as many as
you
you
can do
want.
as many as you want. Okay. Besides that, you are able to choose if I wanted a deal to be activated from a particular date in July. Okay. I have the time right now. I can sit on my computer. I upload all my deals that I've come up with as per my strategy
In advance.
and upload them. Okay, and put the date. It should come up at this date and it should finish by this date.
Wow.
So you auto-schedule them.
And you'll be good to go. You
And
just
you're-
know that
that's it.
next month we have.
Yeah, you don't have to
A
now,
special.
oh, I have to update there, I have to
Yeah,
update there.
yeah.
We try as much as possible to make life easier for you.
That's really amazing. I think this app has been very, very helpful. Tell me, like, from the business perspective, when guys come in and say, hey, I found this place from, using this My Finder app. How's it been like, that growth, especially when guys go to a particular location?
You see, in terms of people, in terms of the feedback that I get, I need to get the feedback from the clients, right, who have listed.
Yeah.
But the good thing is, or a bad thing or a good thing, I'm just thinking how to put it. You know, when things are okay, nobody says anything.
Yeah.
Yes?
Tell me when things are wrong.
It is only when something goes wrong, you get to hear.
Yes, yeah.
But the good thing is, we get the statistics ourselves as well. So we know. In fact, a lot of times I've actually approached the businesses and I've told them that, you know what, you've not uploaded anything, even though your page is receiving these many hits, okay, you're losing out.
You can keep them up to date on
So
their toes.
please utilize it. Please utilize it. And, you know, in terms of what you're paying for it, okay, it's something that you really need to be there.
Yeah.
And we need to encourage people to download the app so that they can use it.
How do you get to upload your business or on the page? Let's say I have a restaurant per se. How do we go about it? How do I get my page there?
Okay, you have a couple of options. Number one, you can go to the website www.myfinder.co.ke.
MyFinder with an A. That's for anyone who's joining
Yes,
in.
MyFinder with an A, MYFINDA.
Yes.
Okay. Once you are on the website, you can actually click on subscribe now. Okay. You choose the package you want. It gives you the options. You know how you get the table.
Yeah.
Okay, that
A
these
little
are the
grid.
features. The
Yes.
grid is there.
Yeah.
Choose the package that you want. Whether you want to sign up for 1 year, you want to sign up for 5 years, you've got the options there. Choose the package, pay online. You will be able to open your account at that very moment. Okay.
wow,
You
okay.
key in your details. The minute you make the payment, your listing is already, you can view it on the phone.
So someone searches.
You don't even need me. You don't need my
So you don't
office
need to meet
even.
you or
You
anything?
can actually go directly to the website and do it.
So you can do all that from your comfort of your own home.
That's right.
Registering your
Yo,
business.
yeah, yes, you can. You can.
you see
We
how it is
even have a
advanced?
feature, free listing.
Tell me, what do you mean free listing?
Free listing means you don't pay nothing for it.
What, listing your business?
You're listing your business.
How? How does that work?
But what happens with a free listing, only your business name appears. None of the details will appear.
So it's like if you're searching for a torch, it will like, we've got a guy looking for a torch, but
That's
you need,
right.
if only he had done
It will
more.
only the business name that will appear. The reason why we have actually kept it that way, we don't want to form a platform where we have people like the middleman coming in.
Yes.
Even the free listing, when you actually list it, okay, it doesn't go active until and unless we authorize.
For it to go through.
Because we need to make sure that it's credible information. Because we want our people who are the end users to be safe.
Yeah, true.
When they are searching for, they know that this business is a credible business. This is information which is not coming from a middleman. It's not a hoax. I'm not going to
So,
be conned.
that's
I'm
really
not going to.
cool.
It's
Yes,
for real.
true. So every single deal that you guys have verified to
It
know
is
that
coming
it's
directly
direct.
from the businesses.
So you know, you mentioned the car park thing, and that's very, very, very important. You can have a certain car park, so you can just search
That's right.
and you can just go there,
That's right.
or you could call the entire listings.
Well, as long as those people have registered, those are the key things.
Yeah.
We need to have those businesses registered. We need to have, if the car parks are listening, maybe they need to
to register. Yes,
they need
true.
to register so that people know which is the nearest parking available
yeah,
here.
True.
Yes.
But I think it makes everybody's life easier.
Easier.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So how does that work with the whole the Google Maps
It's all
interlocking?
interfaced. It's
Oh,
all
interfaced.
integrated.
Oh, perfectly well.
That's right.
That's really
right.
amazing. That's really amazing. So where can we see this go from here? What should we look forward to? Because I'm pretty sure guys are gonna start downloading this. I'm gonna do myself for just the general information, little search engine.
Well, who doesn't want to grow big? I do. I also want to. But I think I want, because I am not it's not coming out as Maliha. I want it to come out as the Kenyan's first, it's a Kenyan search engine.
And you mentioned that in the
Okay,
beginning.
and that is what I'm focusing on. Okay, we've done that, and then we've also actually just, when we reached our target, we embarked on the second phase of actually releasing our magazine, which is for the niche market.
What do
So
you
there is a
mean?
magazine called My Finder Connect. as well.
There's a magazine
That's right.
with all the information basically on.
It's
Is it
purely
similar?
advertising. It's advertising. It's got great articles.
Ah.
It's available on all Chandaranas and Zucchinis.
Oh, so I just go and ask
You
for
just
My
go-
Finder.
It's a free copy.
It's a free copy.
It's a free copy.
That's cool.
And you must look out. We are a growing platform.
You mentioned that you're one of the biggest search engines in Kenya, and that got my attention. Tell me more about that.
Well, when I say the biggest, I think we are the only ones at the moment.
The
So-
only one. Where are people? Where are we? Why aren't we not coming up with more innovative ideas that can
I'm sure
incorporate
people
this?
are. I'm sure there are a lot of smart people. And I mean, Kenyans are the ones. So, I mean, M-Pesa has really taken the world by surprise.
By storm.
And I think we are getting, and it gives us a lot of pride.
True.
It gives us a lot of pride, yes.
Wow. It's been absolutely amazing talking to you and getting to know more about My Finder app.
Thanks.
I think guys should definitely go right now. You said it's available in all the stores, so Android you're sorted, and iOS. So if you have an Android phone, iOS, you're good to go. This is search My Finder, and you'll find it there. And you can basically look for anything. Literally, if there's no end, anything you want, and you might just find it to your nearest proximity or anywhere around you. But
Now, one more thing which I just want to add to
Sure.
conclude it is, besides having listed there to give extra mileage to our clients, we've also, within our magazine, we've created something called Members Directory, and it's in print form as well. Okay, so your business details with your contact numbers are also available within the magazine. We
Oh,
are not
wow.
charging our clients for it. We are doing it to give our clients extra mileage.
Wow.
Okay,
I like that.
and the good thing is that within the magazine, you also have vouchers and coupons
for those particular businesses?
from the businesses where you actually benefit. They are from restaurants, they are from hotels where you can get 10% off by just presenting those coupons.
Which are in a free.
It's a free magazine.
Free
Please go
magazine.
look out. Okay, and I'm sure we can make this platform the best
The best, yes.
platform and the biggest platform
It
for our
surely
region.
will be. Guys,
Yeah.
all you've got to just download it, and also businesses too upload your information there to make
That's right.
everybody's life easier, to be like a little community.
That's right.
Absolutely great.
Okay, so your marketing and advertising
Yes.
becomes much easier
Much easier and simpler, all in the power of your palm,
and affordable.
and affordable
Very
too.
important.
Very important. Any social media handles you'd like to give us?
As simple, I mean, look out for My Finder. Okay, you can search for us, and all our pages will appear.
All of them are up here.
All of them will appear.
My Finder.
My Finder Kenya.
My Finder Kenya.
Please look out for us.
That's absolutely
Thank
amazing. Thank you so much for sharing some life. It's an app. Thank you for actually bringing this to the subs. We need something like this, and definitely that means we need to support it much more. So go out, download the application, and tweet to us, what have you found? And we'll tell you what we have found too. But that has been it for Innovate. I'm Tanam Balekwa, and thank you so much for watching.